Go to After Effects, import your clips. Make sure to turn on frame blending and motion blur for all clips. Now select the first clip and stabilize the motion. If you don't know how to stabilize the motion, just follow what I'm doing. If you know how to do it, go forward 20 seconds. Now repeat the process for remaining clips. Once you're done, go to Effects and Presets panel and search Motion tile. Place the effect onto the clips and do what I'm doing. Once you're done adjusting the position of the clips, pre-compose the layers by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Now go to the first clip and press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to enable time remapping. Go to the middle of the clip and add a keyframe. Then delete the keyframe that is at the end of the clip. Now copy the keyframe at the start of the clip and paste it at the end of the clip. Select them all and press F9 to easy ease them. Then go to the graph editor and copy my graph. Do the same process for the remaining clips. Now click on the first layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Y to create a new adjustment layer. Adjust the length of the layer as to that of the clip and add the effect S_blurmo curves. Add keyframes of Z dist at the start and end of the adjustment layer and easy ease them. Now open the graph editor and copy my graph. Now duplicate the adjustment layer and drag it onto the remaining layers. Adjust the center of the effect for each clip. You can also adjust the intensity of zoom using the graph editor. And you're done. This is how you create smooth microwave effect. If you like the tutorial, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.